Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on Yuvan's tech tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create a new Facebook account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile. Now, if you logged in or used this Facebook application to log into an account before, you will see an interface similar to mine. If it's your first time opening this app, then you'll be able to see create new account or sign up for Facebook. You simply tap on it. Over here, however, I have a create new account at the bottom of my page. Simply tap on it. Tap on get started. Now enter your first name and your last name. After that, simply tap on next. Now enter your birthday, tap on set and tap on next. Now go ahead and select your gender. You can also select your pronoun, which is optional. After that, tap on next. Now enter your mobile number, or you can sign up with your email. After that, tap on next. Now create a password that you want to use when you want to be logging into this account. Make sure that you're creating a strong password. After that, tap on next. If you want your login info to be saved on your mobile, tap on save, otherwise tap on not now. Now agree to Facebook's terms and policies. If you want to read these terms and policies thoroughly, you'll see the links highlighted in blue. Simply tap on it and it will be redirecting you to these terms and policies of Facebook. Else simply continue by tapping on I agree. After that, if you've entered your email, a confirmation code will be sent to your email. If you've entered your phone number, then a confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. Simply copy this code and go ahead, switch to your Facebook app and paste this code. Tap on next. If you didn't get the code, there's an option that you can click on down below that reads I didn't get the code. You can add your profile picture now, or you can skip this step. As you can see, my Facebook account has been created. Now I can customize my Facebook account. If I want the contacts on my number to find me faster, I tap on turn on, or else I tap on not now. Tap on skip, tap on next. Now if you've allowed your phone to access your contacts, it may show up on this page, or else simply tap on next. Now I've been given a pop-up that asks for me to either allow my Facebook to access my location. If you want that, you can tap on the allow option, else tap on the deny option. As you can see, my account has been created, and this is how you can create a new Facebook account as well, as easy as that. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.